Hello, in this video we'll see how to challenge your sales force. Go as the Human Resource Manager and make sure that you install the module CRM Gamification. Install it. This will automatically install the CRM module and also the gamification with some example for this module. We will now be able to set monthly sales target for your salesmen. So let's go back to the human resource module. Okay. And now in engagement, open the challenge. Remove the filter running challenge. And now we can see the new challenge installed by the CRM gamification. We can open, for example, the monthly sales target by clicking on it. Wait, click on edit, change the selection, and give it to all the employees. You can enter the goal to see what is set or to use the content here to understand how to create other goals. We will let this goal set like this. We can change, of course, the target value if we want. We will add an extra goal definition. We will choose one that already exists, for example, the logged call, and we will say you have to do at least 10 logged calls. This is this time a leaderboard. This means that the salesmen will compete between each other in order to be the first one to reach this target. So we have to go in reward and we will assign a badge for the first one to reach this one. Let's say Brian badge. And you can set more detailed option. That's it. A good job for every succeeding user. This means that everyone in this period that will reach this target will receive the good job, but the first one will receive the brilliant one. Set this target in progress. And now let's connect as a normal user. This is Thomas. And we can see by refreshing the page and going in the messaging that he has now the leaderboard here that will tell him which is his ranking amongst the other salesmen of the company and where he is in function of its target. Let's go back quickly as the human resource manager to give Thomas access to the sales menu in his instance. So open the user of Thomas. You can see that he's just an employee. So tell him that now he can see all leads, and then also tell him that he can see and create some invoice in order that he can complete his job as salesman. Save it. Go back as Thomas. Back as Thomas. Create an invoice for a product that he has just sell. For example, some consultancy hour. So let's take a client, and let's say that he has sell consultancy hour for an amount of 2,500 euro. Validate the invoice, and now Thomas can check his leaderboard by refreshing it and see that he's ranked number 1 with an amount of 2,500 euro target reach.